all, welcome to Hungry Hunt. Our today's recipe is chicken roll. Chicken roll is one of the famous street food of Kolkata, which is intensely loved by all and missed by many like me staying away from my hometown. So make the roll the way I'll show you. It is a soul food, a comfort food of student life. And sometimes you wonder that without this, you would not have survived your academic years. Since the dish is a bit elaborate, today I'll start with direct preparation. Follow the items used as I proceed. For exact items and quantity, check description box below. We will start with marination of chicken. Here I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken breast and I have cut them into bite-sized cubes. It is neither too big nor too small. To this, I'll first add salt, black pepper powder, ginger juice. I have made a paste of ginger and extracted the juice out of it. Garlic juice. In similar manner I made the garlic juice also. I made the paste of garlic and then I extracted it out. I am using the juices of ginger and garlic to give the chicken a subtle taste. If you use the paste of ginger and garlic, the chicken becomes spicy. That I don't want in my roll. Next, I'll put green chili paste, and some amount of Kashmiri red chili paste. This I am using for the color. Finally, I'll squeeze lemon juice. And nicely I'll mix it all. I'll let the chicken pieces stand in the marinade for minimum half an hour. Next, I'll prepare the dough for making the roll. Here I have taken 250 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. To it, I'll put a pinch of salt, 2 pinches of salt, and 1 tablespoon of white oil. I'll mix it first. After mixing the salt and the oil nicely with the flour, gradually I'll put warm water and make a soft dough. Initially, use a spoon to mix this flour and water. This way it becomes less clumsy and it becomes fast also. Again I'll put some water and I'll mix it. Once the flour and the water comes together, I'll use my hand. I have put some water in my hand. It is a trick. Wash your hand before kneading this. And I knead it nicely. Next, I'll take it on the kitchen counter and nicely I'll mix it. See the process how I am doing it, because the dough should be nicely made to get a perfect base for your roll. See, since I have washed my hand and with wet hand I am doing this, my hand is almost clean. It won't be messy. Follow my steps and you'll get a nice dough, hassle free. It is ready. I'll let it stand for half an hour, putting some amount of oil on top and then cover it. Now here I have taken a yolk and I have put 3 tablespoons of white oil. To it I'll put the chicken pieces and fry them. I'll fry them in high heat. Fry the chicken in high heat so the juices get retained. Now I'll cover it and I'll cook it for 5 minutes in medium heat. The chicken is ready. It is fried nicely. I'll just put 1/4 teaspoon of jaggery to balance the taste. And I'll take it out and cool it down. Now that the chicken is ready, our next step will be to impart a smoky flavor in the chicken. Here I'll show you a homely trick how you can make it. I've taken an aluminium foil. I'll put the cooked chicken pieces inside. I'll do it in 2 batches. So I'll put half chicken and I'll wrap it. Twist the sides so the juices remain inside. And this is done. I'll make another like this. Here I have put the gas on and I have placed the iron grid over it, and then very gently I'll put it here, and in medium low gas flame I'll cook it by turning. Do this, a lovely smoky flavor will come. I'll put the second one also. In this technique, it is safe also, and it gives a smoky flavor of kebabs to the chicken, which is much needed in chicken roll. Our chicken kebabs or tikkas are ready. Now I'll prepare the base of the roll, or I'll make the paratha. I'll divide it into 4 parts. Made 4 roundels. Now I'll start making the base of the roll of the paratha. Here I'll apply some amount of oil in the rolling pin. The dough is very nicely made, it's very soft, so I won't need much oil. And I'll make a thin, not much thin, but semi-thin paratha or base. In a hot tawa, now I'll make the paratha. fry both the sides nicely. And the sides, use medium heat so the insides of the parathas get cooked properly. See, a lovely color is coming, brown spots are coming. It is done. I'll take it out and I'll fry the other 3 parathas also. Our preparation is ready. Now we'll start assembling it. Before that, here I've taken sliced onion. To it I'll put a chopped green chili. Use green chili as per your taste and preference. I'll squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it and some amount of pinch of salt, and I'll mix it. Next, let's check our chicken. It's a lovely smoky flavor has come. I'll show you, see, this burnt area will impart the smoky flavor. See how lovely it has turned out. Wow. So here comes the final step of making the chicken roll. Here I have taken the base of the paratha. First, I'll drizzle little amount of lemon juice, not much. To it, I'll put black pepper powder. This you can add generously or as much you like. Next, I'll put the chicken cubes, onion and green chili mixture. See how beautiful it is. And I'll do the roll. It is done. So goodbye for today. I'll now eat my chicken roll. And if you like the cooking, put a like for my effort. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe Hungry Han and click on the bell icon for new recipe notification. Have it with extra lemon, extra chili, and if you love your sauce, you can add tomato and green chili sauce. I'll eat it as it is. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat at home.